What is up, you guys?
What's up?
Welcome back to the Life. So this is our second video of our Korea vlog. If you haven't watched our last video, I'm just gonna give you guys an update.
Please check it out.
Yeah, I'll link it up. We have moved to Korea. We just finished our 14-day quarantine and we are now in lodging. Also within this time, we actually went apartment hunting.
So we'll be showing you in this video our top 3 apartments that we really liked.
So stay tuned. This is apartment 1. So the first apartment that you guys just seen was the Brownstone Apartments. This apartment is actually very popular because it's super close to the base.
So first, we got the Brownstone 3-bed, 2-bath, very convenient. They have a restaurant downstairs where the parking garage is at. There's a 7-Eleven.
Also, it's like a really big place where you can actually walk down to the other restaurants, which is in the Vial, and then Yoon Gate is literally right there from Brownstones. Really convenient. Panda Mart is super close, and so is Joy Mart. Joy Mart is
It's just a
not a
grocery store.
Yeah, it's a grocery store. Panda Mart is just like Daiso.
Cons with that place is, since there's multiple apartment complex in Brownstone Apartments, there's a lot of people living in that place. So parking garage is
just limited to 1 parking space
per apartment.
We're looking into getting a second car. Maybe if I end up getting a job, we might need another parking space.
Also, the apartment, there's not enough storage space, which is one of the big things we were looking for because of all my military gear.
He has a lot of military gear.
Yeah. Just because we don't want everything to be out
and stacked up in like the guest bedroom or anything like that. So storage is a very big thing that we
just want it like hidden where nobody can see it, just sitting there. Next one, we have the UN Village, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a larger apartment with storage space that we were looking for. It does have closet storage space in each room.
It's already built in each room. 2 of the apartments we looked at, we would be the first ones to move in. And UN Village is one of the apartments where no one else lived in that apartment. It comes with 2 parking spaces. The cons for this apartment though is that it is far from base.
Depends. It can take from maybe 15 to 20 minutes just to get to base, the gate.
And he'll be using what, Charlton?
Yeah, Charlton
Gate. That's a con for us. Another con is nothing is within walking distance.
So the place is very new. It's right off the highway. Like literally, you just take an exit and you're right there
Yeah.
at the entrance.
Yeah, so
They're still
nothing-
building around that area.
Yeah, so that's the second apartment that we looked at.
Cozy Hills.
So this is also a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom.
Very cozy.
Very cozy, literally. It is similar to the UN Village. New would be the first ones to move into this apartment. It's close to base and it has two parkings maybe. We forgot actually.
Yeah, well, we
forgot.
didn't really ask.
There is a 7-Eleven nearby and restaurants also, so which is good. But there is a major con to this apartment complex. There is no built-in storage, so if we were to move into this place, we would have to stack his
boxes
up into one of the rooms. It is it's similar to UN but a little bit smaller than UN.
As you guys can see from the video, right by the kitchen, the washer and dryer area. So it's a little cramped because you have the refrigerator right there and there's no door to actually like go into the washer and dryer area. So if you have it running, it's going to be kind of loud. Well, if you're in the kitchen or in the living room, you're still going to be able to hear it.
That was like a weird space to put the refrigerator to. I was like, oh, this is unique. I really do like that they have that electric stove in the UN and Cozy Hills. That is very big. Especially we love hot pot and we love Korean barbecue.
So you can just be like sitting around there and have your pot boiling.
Wow. Well, we also have like a separate like little
burner
for like Korean barbecue, so you can eat Korean barbecue and hot pot at the same time. So that was unique. I really like that. So those were the 3 apartments. Out of those top 3, we picked one of them, obviously. But if you want to know what that apartment is, check out our next video coming up. If you guys want to guess, comment down below which one you guys liked and which ones you guys think.
Yeah, I think we kind of made it obvious.
Which one you guys think we
But just
picked.
let us know.
Yeah.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
Hope you guys like this video.
Yeah, comment, like, subscribe. You can subscribe to our channel. I don't know, we'll probably start our travel vlogs soon, hopefully.
And I hope it was very informational for those who are or maybe moving to Korea, or if you ever decide to.
This is around Pyeongtaek, Asan area. Alright guys, bye.
Peace.